Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best GoPro Hero 9 is probably one of the most versatile action cameras on the market, boasting a powerful new sensor that captures stunning 5K video and crisp 20MP photos, all while featuring a front-facing display for easy framing and a host of other impressive upgrades that make it an indispensable tool for adventurers, content creators, and anyone looking to document their experiences with unparalleled clarity and stability. Number 5. TELESIN Anti-Slip Backpack Strap Mount. Capture your adventures from a unique perspective with this versatile mount. It's designed to securely attach to most backpack shoulder straps, offering a stable and comfortable way to film your activities. No matter the size of your backpack strap, this mount adjusts to fit snugly. This ensures a secure and reliable connection for your camera during any outdoor pursuit. Whether you're hiking, biking, or skiing, this accessory is perfect for capturing point-of-view footage. It offers a lower, more stable view than a head strap, enhancing your action videos. Experience comfortable, shake-free recording thanks to its ergonomic design and shock-absorbing base. The weight is evenly distributed, allowing for extended use without discomfort. This mount is compatible with a vast range of action cameras, including popular brands like GoPro and DJI, as well as many point-and-shoot cameras. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for your filming needs. Your package includes the backpack strap mount, a J-hook, and a screw. We also offer a 90-day money-back warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This mount offers unparalleled adjustability, fitting most shoulder straps with ease. It provides a unique POV perspective, lower than a head strap, perfect for capturing dynamic action. If you're looking for a comfortable and stable way to film your adventures from your chest, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The strap feels solid and secure once it's attached to the backpack and it doesn't slip around. I really like the quick connect and dual mounting system because it lets me easily disconnect the camera and go handheld without having to swap mounts or adjust anything. The 360 head is also great because it lets me adjust the camera angle quickly on the fly, which is perfect when I'm switching between walking, hiking, or biking. Number 4. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. Capture breathtaking video in up to 5K resolution. Its powerful new sensor ensures incredible detail, even when you zoom in. You'll be impressed by the lifelike sharpness and smooth motion. Take crisp, professional quality photos with 20 megapixel clarity. Super Photo intelligently applies the best image processing, making it effortless to get the perfect shot every time. Framing and controlling your camera is now easier than ever. The new larger rear touchscreen and the dazzling front display provide intuitive operation and simple control. Enjoy up to 30% longer battery life with the improved 1720 mAh battery. This means you can shoot more without interruption and stay powered up, even in cold conditions. Experience incredibly smooth footage with our most advanced video stabilization yet. HyperSmooth 3.0 offers in-camera horizon leveling for consistently impressive results in any setting. This action camera is built to withstand the elements. Its rugged, waterproof design ensures you can take it on any adventure without worry. What we like. Experience stunning detail with its 5K video and crisp 20MP photos, bringing your memories to life. The new front display makes framing and control incredibly intuitive. If you prioritize top-tier image quality and ease of use in a compact action camera, this is the one for you. What people say. The GoPro Hero 9 Black features a new front display that allows for easier framing of shots, especially for vlogging. Image stabilization is significantly improved with HyperSmooth 3.0, providing smoother footage even in challenging conditions. The camera can capture 5K video, offering incredible detail and flexibility for editing and reframing. Number 3. TELESIN Triple USB Charging Case for GoPro Hero 9 to 12. Never miss a moment with this charger. It can power up 3 batteries at the same time, getting you back to filming in just 2 hours. It's perfect for extended trips where speed is key. This charger is designed to work perfectly with your original camera batteries. The magnetic connectors ensure a stable connection, so you don't have to worry about charging interruptions. Your batteries are protected with advanced safety features. It automatically stops charging when full and has built-in safeguards against overheating and short circuits. Take it anywhere. This durable case protects your batteries and SD cards from dust and water. Its compact size fits easily into your pocket or bag, making it ideal for any adventure. Check your battery status at a glance. A red light indicates charging, while a green light means it's fully charged. You can easily monitor the progress, even in low light. What we like. Keep your adventures powered with simultaneous charging for 3 batteries in just 2 hours. Its compact, travel-ready design with IP54 resistance makes it perfect for any trip. If you're tired of battery anxiety and need quick turnarounds on multi-day trips, this charger is a must-have. What people say. The GoPro Hero 9 Black features a new front-facing display that allows for easier vlogging and framing shots. It boasts improved image stabilization with HyperSmooth 3.0, ensuring smoother footage even in demanding conditions. The camera can record video in 5K resolution at 30 frames per second, offering incredible detail and flexibility for editing. Number 2. HONGDAK Action Camera Accessories Kit for GoPro Hero 13-9. Capture stunning underwater footage with this specially designed waterproof housing. It offers maximum clarity and 60-meter depth capability, ensuring your camera is protected during all your adventures. The lightweight silicone case provides easy access to all camera functions. This kit includes a 3-in-1 adjustable arm that transforms from a grip to a tripod, perfect for stable shots and group photos. Keep all your gear organized and protected in a convenient, large-sized carrying case, ideal for travel and sports. Get immersive point-of-view shots with the adjustable chest and head straps, fitting comfortably over helmets too. The wrist strap is perfect for action sports like surfing, while the helmet extension arm allows for effortless selfies. Easily attach your camera to smooth surfaces like car windshields or surfboards with the powerful suction cup mount. Cycle with confidence using the bicycle mount, and secure it to bags or belts with the versatile 360 degrees rotating clip. Enhance your underwater videos with the 3-pack of dive filters, providing excellent color correction and contrast. Prevent lens fogging in humid conditions with the included 12 anti-fog inserts, ensuring clear shots every time. What we like. Dive into adventure with 60-meter waterproof protection and a comprehensive kit of versatile mounts. From chest straps to suction cups, it covers every angle. If you need a robust, all-in-one solution for both underwater and extreme outdoor activities, this bundle has you covered. What people say. The GoPro Hero 9 Black features a new front-facing display that allows you to see yourself while vlogging. It has a larger rear touchscreen, making it easier to navigate menus and control settings. The camera can record video in 5K resolution at 30 frames per second, offering incredibly detailed footage. Number 1. TELESIN G2 Upgraded Battery Door Cover for GoPro. Introducing the TELESIN G2, the second-generation battery door cover designed for your GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9 Black. It offers a perfect fit to safeguard your camera's battery. Featuring an upgraded water, snow, and wet weather-resistant design with a Type-C port, you can now shoot confidently in more conditions. Enjoy your adventures without worry. The integrated charging port allows for continuous shooting without removing the cover. This is perfect for time-lapse, vlogs, and extended video recording sessions. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, it's lightweight, durable, and comfortable to the touch. Protect your camera from drops and sharp objects with ease. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove your original battery cover and the spring-on lid allows for quick, secure attachment in seconds. The sponge gasket ensures no damage to your camera. What we like. Shoot in any weather with its upgraded water and snow-resistant design, featuring a convenient Type-C charging port. This allows for continuous shooting, perfect for time-lapse or vlogs. If you need uninterrupted recording capabilities and protection against the elements, this accessory is essential. What people say. This battery door allows me to power the GoPro via a USB cord and external battery. When I do this I don't install a battery and I have the option to use the door closed or not at all. Helps keep the GoPro cooler on warm days. Seems to be durable, easy to install and works well for my application. This kit solves that problem by letting me power the GoPro with an external battery pack, so I don't have to stop recording just to change batteries. The magnetic door attaches easily and feels secure. The charging cable plugs in firmly and hasn't loosened or disconnected, even after repeated use. I've used it in light rain and dusty conditions without any issues. It's held up well and hasn't shown any signs of wear. This let me run it for as long as I needed to catch the problem in normal operation. The magnetic plug held nice and tight too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.